Oh, good morning, Sterling. Wait a second, it's 5:58. Oopsie. Also, hi, Sterling, still.
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, southeastern Calvert County in southern Maryland, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Greenwell State Park, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lexington Park, Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Greenwell State Park, St. Leonard Creek, Couple Creek, Town Creek, Calvert Cliffs, California, Lusby, Pawtuxet River Naval Air Station, Hollywood, St. Leonard, Drum Point, Long Beach, Dowell, Hillville, and Sauterley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.